Hello all, welcome back to my channel. So today is a different video not related to any traveling. I would be showing you some cooking video of mine which is of my style, a chicken stew. Let's get started. For this chicken stew, I have taken some vegetables like potato, beans, carrot, peas, onions and tomatoes and some garlic and a little bit of ginger. So you can take vegetables of your own choice and preference. I have taken 500 grams of chicken which I have cleaned and washed and kept it ready. Now I have taken some whole spices like bay leaves, few cardamoms, peppercorns, cloves and cinnamon. Let's get started with the cooking procedure. So in a pan I have put a little bit of oil and I will put the whole spices along with garlic and onions, and I'll do a little bit stir fry, little bit goldenish in color. I have to wait. So once it turns this goldenish, then we will start dropping the other vegetables. Now I'm dropping off the chicken which I have washed and kept it ready in the pan, and again I'll wait for a few minutes till it becomes a little bit in goldenish in color. Once it turns in goldenish, I'll drop in all the other vegetables. Now I slowly add a little bit of turmeric, chili powder and also pepper powder based on your taste and preference. Add salt according to your taste and give a little bit stir fry, and you can see that it's a little bit fried and turns into brownish in tone. Now you can put all the vegetables which you have kept aside. So now I'm adding a little bit, I stir fried, and I'll add 1 to 2 glass of water. So if you want a little soupy, you can add more water, and if you want a little bit thicker, then you can add 1 cup of water. Even I'll put little bit of milk to give the texture a little bit whitish in color. So this is something which is optional. Now cover the lid and wait for 20 minutes and cook it in slow sim. Enjoy this stew with steamed rice, or you can take this as a breakfast menu as well with some hot garlic bread. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed my chicken stew. Do try and do share your comments. Do like and subscribe if you enjoyed my video. See you guys on my next clip, next video. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.